everybody, I'm doing a little IKEA hack today. I'm making a baby doll bassinet. It's not like it's a spoiler, it's probably gonna be the name of this video. Anyway, a few weeks ago I showed you how I made a little baby doll diaper bag for a small stroller that I got for a very special girl. My best friend daughter turned 2 and I got her a cute baby doll and some accessories, and I made this diaper bag. And I came early to her birthday. We were opening the gift, we were playing with the baby. I got her something to her kitchen as well, so we were feeding the baby, and then she wanted the baby to go to sleep and she asked for a blanket, and I get her one of her blankets or her brother blankets, but I was thinking, yeah, I should have definitely made something for the baby to sleep in. And actually, I was thinking about it when I was at IKEA getting the fruit and vegetables for her kitchen and the fabric for the bag, the diaper bag. I was actually planning to get also they have like a bed for doll, and I forgot, and I kind of happy that I forgot because it's quite a big bed. I was thinking of getting it and just hacking a mattress and a pillow and a blanket for her that will match like the bag or something like that, and I forgot to get the bag, but I was happy about it because it is, like I said, kind of a big bed and I wanted something smaller. My second plan was to just sew a little carry-on bed, and I've made it before. We actually have it in our playroom in blue, and it's just like a very simple pattern of like a mattress and something that goes around with 2 handles, and I filled it in at the time with some pillow filling, and it held on, and we're playing with it. It's really good. And I was thinking of doing the same thing and actually using some extra foam I have left from the Halloween s'more costume. And while I was planning it, and I went to IKEA and I grabbed this changing pad because it kind of matched the bag that I made her, but it's like a bit more durable. Also, the other side is kind of plasticky, so I'm feeling like it's not going to be see-through, and it's going to be a bit more strong than the burping fabric I brought for the bag, right? I should have made the bag from this. Anyway, and then I was thinking, how about I'll find a basket and I will actually make a small cute bassinet instead of kind of sewing the whole bed, the whole thing. I'll just make a mattress that can match to a basket. Now, ideally, I would look for an oval basket in the right size, but I was already at IKEA grabbing this, so I was looking for what they had. There was not a lot of options. I got this one at the end. Just because it is a good size, it wasn't expensive, and also it kind of flexible, so I feel like I can do something with it. It opens like this, so like this bigger basket. So I think I can play around with this. I'm gonna try and kind of like, I don't know, move this in maybe or something like that, and figure out how to change its shape a little bit. And then I'm gonna use the foam I have, make a mattress, cover the mattress, and we'll do also a pillow and a blanket, and we're gonna have a baby bassinet. Before we start doing that, if you're new here, welcome to the DIYnanny channel. This is what I do here on my channel. I make DIYs, craft and little hacks for the playroom for kids to play with. You can check out the rest of my videos, and if you like them, please hit that subscribe button. Now let's begin with this bassinet. So I was playing around with the basket a little bit, and I figured that if I turn it over for a sec, push this all the way in. So basically, I have the handles out right now, right? So it's basically the other way of what it was when I bought it, right? It was the handles were inside. And then if I push this, not all the way through, but a little bit, First of all, make it a bit smaller here, but I have room for the mattress, and also it kind of shaped into an oval by itself, I have to say. And I have the handle here so you can move it from a place to place. This is how it looks like in the back. There's like a little gap here because I didn't push this all the way out. So basically that's perfect. Now I need a way to secure it. So I will, I think, go over here in between with hot glue, just to make sure it doesn't move. But I was also thinking to use this wire I've got to connect. So I'll go kind of thread it, like I actually can use also a thread, but thread in this part to this part, basically, in and out from both parts together. I was thinking of using the wire because it's a thin wire, but I think it would help me reshape it even more. Although it does look a bit, it looked like a little oval. It's definitely not a circle anymore. It's almost there. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wire everything together, add some glue, and then I'll make measurements for my mattress right here. So I managed to go all around. It was a bit tedious, but I succeeded at the end. Does it help reshape the basket? I'm not 100% sure. I'll be honest with you. It's already a bit oval. It was a bit oval when I started. I'll try to play with it a little bit more and see. It's definitely going to keep it more secure than just the glue, but I am going to go around here in between with the glue, just to make it even stronger. And for the parts outside that you can see the wire now, I was thinking, I have this lacy ribbon. I was thinking I'll go on top, and it could be super cool and add some detail to it. So this fits very nicely now, and I'm gonna use the fabric. I got this changing pad to cover the mattress. What I'm gonna do to make it easier to put it on, I'm gonna make the opening in the back. So basically I'm gonna cut one piece that it's like a whole piece is gonna be the front, and for the back I'm gonna cut two pieces that kind of overlapping. Let me just show you, kind of like this. There will be stitch on top and on the bottom. I'm also gonna use the edge of the fabric so I don't have to close it because it's already closed here. So it's gonna be pretty easy. And then I'll sew it together, and I can put in the mattress in this. I'm gonna draw the circle of this, and then I will take into consideration the width of this foam, and also a little bit access for the stitches. So now that I have the top piece, the whole piece, I'm gonna cut the 2 halves for the back. And this is not exact because the foam that I cut is not really straight, but that's okay. What I'm gonna do, I basically need 2 pieces like this, but I need them to be a bit longer because I want them to overlap, obviously. So I'm gonna start from like here, and again I'm doing it on the side that it's already stitched here and covered with like this bias tape, so I don't have to do it again. I don't have to close the fabric. So I'm gonna do one here and one here. So this is the full piece, and these are the 2 overlapping pieces. I'm gonna put it together in the size of the actual, the full piece, and I'm gonna stitch here and here. I'm gonna leave most of it open, but I'm gonna stitch the 2 sides just because it would be easier to close it right now. Also, there's like a little bit of over the side pieces, so it can be open all the way anyway, but I also don't need it to be open all the way. So I'm gonna leave a small opening here, so I'm gonna stitch here and here, and then I'm gonna put right side to right side and I'm gonna stitch all around, and we'll see if it's the right fit. If not, we can adjust it and make it very snug on the foam. Alright, so our base is ready. We have a basket, we have a mattress inside. It's a bit loose on the mattress, so I could go around again closer with the stitch and make it a bit more tight. I might do it, I don't have to, but I want to move on for now. So I'm gonna make a pillow and a blanket because this is where it all started, right? We were covering the baby with a blanket and everything. I'm gonna use the leftover for the pillow. It's gonna be very simple, just a rectangle with a little opening, then flipping it, filling it and closing it by hand. I could use the same one for a blanket, but I want to change it up a little bit, and I actually have this fleece blanket. This is also an IKEA blanket, so it kind of matched to the whole IKEA hack theme here. It's very old. I think it was like $2.50 really. It's just fleece. It's gonna be very simple also because I only need to cut it. I basically don't need to stitch anything, just resize a piece of it for a blanket, right? And it does match and have like the different shades of gray, but I wanna put like a pop of color on it, right? I chose all this gray and the gray with the dots because it matched the bag that I created, a diaper bag that matched the stroller that I got basically. The stroller also have some pink in it, so I was thinking I can go around the edges that I'm gonna cut with a blanket stitch, finally blanket stitch on a blanket, with pink embroidery thread, and that kind of give it the pop of color and match to the whole set of things that she has. And I do have this embroidery thread that is pink, but it's like different shades of pinks and it changes its color, so it's really cool. So this is what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna do a pillow and we're gonna do a blanket, and then we'll put our baby in the basket.